Yes! Welcome to another episode of Southdown Garage. I am really mad because of this.
I smell oil. I don't know if it's us or someone else, but I smell oil.
One more? Okay.
Hater V8, bro.
It's up on blocks. Why? Oh, I haven't done enough engine swaps on this thing yet. I gotta pull the engine out. Started making some noise, and I was like, I don't really feel comfortable. Took it to get some exhaust work done. We're here at Merton's Automotive here in Chilliwack. They're gonna do me a solid and put these tailpipes onto the RX7. I then found out the absolute worst information, that we had a lot of metal in the oil. So on this episode, we're going to drain the oil, pull the engine, throw it on a stand, flip it over, and find out how much damage I did. I'm hoping I caught it in time because it wasn't knocking. There was some squeak, but that could be main. Hopefully not main bearings. I guess there's only one way to find out. Stop talking and let's get to it. Just back and forth though, not up and down. Well, I'm gonna pull this off and just take a quick look at it. That's not a happy bearing. Hey little buddy, you've come to a crossroad. You're too expensive to fix right now. Plus I don't have the time to do it. All the parts and everything that need to come in. You are going on the back burner for a little while. Let's go take a look at something else. So I have no clue the kind of condition these things are in. So one of these ones is bad, and I think he said this one is. So we're gonna take that one apart. It looks nasty, but it doesn't have to look good. It just has to run. And then we're gonna throw this one on the engine stand and tear into it a little bit. Mint.
Look how clean that is. Even like this here. It's so nice. No issues whatsoever. So that's good. So now we're gonna go 90 degrees. And you're gonna be like, holy smokes, that's tight.
So we took this cover off because it was leaking real bad and found zero sealant here, which is really funny. Not sure why. But anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and use my favorite sealant. I'm going to use my favorite silicone, the right stuff. I don't know why this didn't have some sort of a sealant on before, but we're going to put one on now, making sure to follow the areas that this is going to be covered, so it doesn't leak. Oh, that's gonna leak. Yes, this is the new engine. I grenaded the other one. Well, not really, bad word. I made the other one a little less fit for duty. I could still probably get one day out of it, but I'd probably blow it up. So right now it's cranks pretty much got to get turned. Connecting rods, thankfully, bearings, everything else is good. Nothing spun, so we caught it just in time. It's just the money to get that motor and time in 2 weeks was not going to happen. So this is out of 2011 Crown Vic or 2007. The other motor's out of a 2011. That one's bad, so we'll have to freshen that one up. Right now, I just got to get ready to hook this up to the engine hoist, crane, whatever, and get the flywheel clutch on. I'm not going to show you that because I showed you last video. I'm sure you guys are stoked to see me do that again. And then bell housing, everything's cleaned up except for all the dust, which I don't really care about. Okay, I've got the engine in. Hooray! And I measured everything and I thought I got it right, but I missed something. This engine is right on the pan, and there's still a lot of room over here. Like, look at how much room there is. Holy mackerel. So I want this to be somewhat stable. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to drop the subframe down, put some spacers in, raise it back up, and then I can drop the engine down some. But right now, if I raise the engine up, it's probably gonna put this on too much of a angle, and we don't really want that. So yeah, fun times. So this is sort of some of the struggles you get when you're working on a drift car. You know, throwing an engine in, not really a big deal. Then you get this other issue. And then my friends all said, which you are probably gonna say the same thing, why not just put the old oil pan on? Because I hooked everything up, okay? Get off my back about it. I could do that, but I'm not going to. Because then I have to change the pickup tube and everything else. Throwing washers under there is probably easier. Is it the right way to do it? This is drifting. Nothing I do is right. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to quickly lower this down, throw some spacers in. I'll show you where I'm doing that, and then we'll go from there. Oh no. One of the big differences on this one is these here. This thermostat housing has an extra couple ports for the temperature senders. Oh, there we go. And I need this. So we're going to take this one off. We're going to swap it for the other one. And we're going to put it all back together and carry on. When your hoses won't fit, you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, round 2 I'm starting now that I got my crank and all that stuff connected. Whoa! Whoa! Did I mislead you? I apologize. But this is what's coming next! I promise this time. thanks for watching this episode of Southdown Garage. If you liked the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and maybe check out this video. You can't check out this one yet because it's not made yet, but you can check that one out later. Until next time, have a wonderful day, take care, and we'll see you next time on another episode of Southdown Garage.